Today I want to tell you some advice you may need to hear. Number 1. Even when you trust someone, keep some things to yourself. Number 2. If you want to build something worthwhile, be ready for criticism. Number 3. Your mental health is way more important than your career will ever be. Number 4. You become an unstoppable force when you realize that you can do it alone. Number 5. Be okay with people not liking you. Most don't even like themselves. Number 6. Not everything will go according to plan. Always be ready to adapt. Number 7. You can always choose to be happy no matter what happens in your life. Being sad is never an option. Number 8. Don't waste your time stressing about things you can't control. Number 9. Choose a direction and make sure you surround yourself with the right people who have the strengths you lack. Number 10. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop.